Hey everyone, it's Leslie from BuyOnlineNow, and it is time to choose another winner of a BuyOnlineNow personalized Red Swingline Stapler. So the people with the correct answers were Jeremy, Robin, Ashley, and Marianne. So I will crumple up these pieces of paper, and I'm going to try and throw them into this fishbowl. And whichever one gets in there wins. So, here we go. Wow. Sorry, whoever that was. I need to step over to the left a little more, I guess. Oh, God. This might take a few trials. Alright, I'll try again. Okay.
The suspense.
I'll take a step closer. Oh, that was close. Nope. Alright, we have one.
Oh.
Alright, we have a winner.
Do they win a goldfish too?
No goldfish. And the winner is Robin. Congratulations.
Yay,
and
Robin!
Thanks for playing. Yay! Thank you.